This is the Bosch CM10GD Dual-Bevel Glide Miter Saw. This saw combines evolutionary performance with revolutionary design. Remodelers, trim carpenters, and woodworkers will appreciate the unbelievable engineering that went into this space-saving design. This patented axial glide system provides consistent precision over the life of the tool while saving you up to 10 inches of workspace. Notice how there are no rails? With this design, you can push this right up against the wall. The glide action also allows for unmatched smoothness of cut. With 12-inch nominal horizontal capacity, 5-inch vertical capacity, and 6-inch crown capacity against the fence, you get an expanded cutting capacity on this 10-inch saw. Upfront bevel controls mean no more reaching to the back of the tool. Make adjustments quickly and easily. The integrated crown chop lock lets you lock the head in place for maximum chop cutting capacity for upright base molding and nested crown. Easily set up the bevel with the tall 4 1/4 inch fences for increased crown molding capacity. So this is it. The Bosch CM10GD 10-inch dual bevel glide miter saw. You really have to try this thing to believe how smooth it is. For more information on this tool, reference this page and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch miter saws.
Introducing a mightier miter saw by SKILSAW. The 12-inch worm drive dual bevel sliding miter saw, featuring SKILSAW's legendary worm drive gearing, and powered by a 15-amp dual field motor that stays cool on the job. Streamlined with the motor balanced at the top and built with magnesium motor housing, it's the lightest of its class, so it's easy to transport and set up. The convenient miter scale with preset detents ensures precise miter settings and make both left and right cuts simple and repeatable. LED shadow light casts a shadow, aligning the cut line for true cuts every time. 14-inch cross-cut capacity lets you handle any cut on the job site, up to 4x thickness. When the job calls for longer materials, the built-in table extensions ensure the workpiece is flat, and the vacuum port helps to keep a clean work site. Cutting crown molding nested is quick and easy with the crown stops. You can also cut crown molding in the flat with the adjustable positive stops to ensure a precise bevel angle. And the locking blade depth stop makes cutting dado and lap joints quick and easy. Feel the might with SKILSAW. The SKILSAW 12-inch worm drive dual bevel sliding miter saw. Stay true.
Jet is fully committed to quality, innovation, and service. Each and every product is designed to empower woodworkers to do more in their craft. That's why Jet is proud to introduce the re-engineered 10 and 12-inch sliding dual bevel compound miter saws.
Hey, my name is Stevie Essler, and I run an all-female woodworking business in Nashville, Tennessee called Built by Stevie. Today in the shop, we're going to be doing custom doors, and to accomplish this, we're going to be using the Jet miter saw. I'm going to use the miter saw to make 26 16-inch straight butt cuts. I'm also going to make 18 14-inch cuts, as well as 12 13 angled cuts. One of my favorite things about this saw is the smooth control slide while making accurate cuts. Like I said earlier, we're a custom woodworking company, so everything is fit for our clients' houses. To To build this hutch, I need to make a lot of straight and angled cuts. And the jet saw allows me to do that. As a custom furniture maker, we make everything in the shop, but we finish our projects at a client's house. While on site, I'm able to use the included extended fence and support system. So the portability of a miter saw is a huge advantage. It's important that I have accurate and precise cuts while putting everything together for this 7-foot hutch. While using the saw, I'm able to use the comfortable grip handle to cut on the right or the left side while cutting a piece of wood. I'm able to use just my thumb to adjust the miter, which is a huge added benefit. The miter saw was the very first tool I used for my business, and it is still the most used tool in my shop.